In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to click on Privacy section and access Permission Manager. Following that, tap on one of your device's features to manage it and click on one of your apps. I will go with Booking.com from Not Allowed section. Last but not least, apply one of those options to manage camera access for this app. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can start Booking.com just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. You can always select any feature and tap on an app that you wish to manage instead. Then click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!